Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change the color mode of Lazada app. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to change the color mode of Lazada app. Maybe you're a person who prefers the dark theme because you uses the mobile mostly at the night time or maybe at the bedtime, so you want the light to not irritate your eyes. Or maybe you're a person who prefers the light theme because you uses the mobile in daytime, like when you're traveling under the sunlight, so you want the theme to be very much light so that you could use the mobile easily. Or maybe in general you just want the theme to be changed so that the app should look better. Or there could be any other reason for you to change the color mode of Lazada app. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can change the color of Lazada app. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Lazada app, and if you have not installed it yet in your mobile phones, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you also have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. So once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Lazada to open the app. Once the app gets opened, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We have different options almost all over the screen, and we have other products that you could purchase on this app. Right now, you could see the theme of this app is light, or you could say white. So we will see how we can make it into a darker or black theme. But if you have a darker or black theme, then we will see how we can make it into a black. Right now we just got into a feed there, you could see all these things, and then this one is a message section, and this one is your card where you could add different products, and lastly this is your account option where you can see different options and stuff related to your account and personal information. So once you get to this page, now what you have to do is that you just have to simply click on this settings icon which is on the top right. Once you click on it, first you will read the title of settings, and there you will see these options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So from all these options, you have to click on this option which says dark mode. So once you tap onto this option, you will see only one option. So once you turn on this option, the dark mode will be enabled. But if you have already enabled, so you can make it into a lighter theme. Otherwise, it's all up to you. You may turn this option on or turn this option off. Whatever you like, whatever you prefer, you can go with that option, and the theme of the app will be like that. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the color mode of Lazada app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.